You're going to see, guys, if you practice this, it'll change your whole life.
Won't you let me in your room? All I know is how I left so soon.
Confidence, or lack of confidence, or wanting to have more confidence, is something that comes up all of the time at my workshop. A few weeks before the workshop, I always send out a questionnaire just to get a feel for where guys are at with their photography, where they're at in their life situation related to photography and their business, that kind of thing. And one of the things that comes up consistently all the time is that one of the things that holds the guys back is their lack of confidence. Confidence, or people who apparently don't have confidence, they get confused with what confidence actually is. Yeah, we can learn to walk a certain way, talk a certain way to project ourselves. But I would have guessed that the guys that you are attracted to, where there's something emanating from them, there's just this kind of a light that we're attracted to. I would hazard a guess that what you're attracted to isn't the way that they walk or they talk or that kind of thing. It's the essence. There's something else going on. And in my experience, what that is, that these guys embrace all of the aspects, all of the emotions, thoughts, feelings, everything that goes on inside them with regards to being a human being. And the person who's apparently not confident, they kind of operate in a fight or flight way of being. Two people were not different in terms of what they experience. Where they differ is how they handle the experience of what's going on inside them. Where the person who's shy is avoiding those feelings, and the person who's apparently confident is being with that stuff. So it might be that you're invited to a party. You don't know anyone. Maybe you know one or two people, and there's a whole bunch of people there, and they all know each other. And perhaps you feel a little bit intimidated. They have kind of same reference points, that kind of a thing. And the more and more they chat, the more you feel separate, right? Have you had that experience? It's almost like we feel scared, we feel intimidated in situations, but we're not willing to really turn that beam of attention onto those feelings. Because it's only when we do that we turn that attention around and be with what's going on, that we have a choice. If we have no awareness of it and how all of that stuff is informing our reactions and how we think, then we don't have a choice. It takes practice. Also, this feeling shy, feeling intimidated, feeling nervous in certain situations and feeling not good enough, feeling scared, I don't know if that ever goes away. I don't even know if it's important that goes away. What I find with being scared or intimidated is that with practice, so being with that stuff that's going on within us consciously, is that we become, over time, more willing to walk through that door. We can practice this. We can invite those scenarios, or when we're in those scenarios, we can use them as a little signal to ourselves to practice being more confident. So when that stuff comes up, we can practice, speed up that process. The degree to which you're practicing this stuff, having an awareness of what's going on with you when you're feeling like you want to turn and bolt in certain situations, you turn, you face it, you be like a warrior in effect, then it speeds up the process. You're going to see, guys, if you practice this, it'll change your whole life. It's about acknowledging where I am. It's not about having a judgment here, getting involved like, oh, you're okay, Gary, you're fine. Who cares what these people think of you? It's not about that. It's not a positive thinking scenario, this is about being with that stuff. It's like just getting used to feeling human. But we can't live a full life if we're not willing to embrace all of what it means to be human. We can't. It's like we want our cake and eat it. But you can't have up without down. You can't have left without right. If we're not willing to experience both ends of the polarity, then we're just going to exist in that neutral grey area in the middle. To live a whole life, we need to shine a light on those little pockets of insecurity and fear and nervousness and all of that kind of thing. We need to be willing to be with that as well. And then we can be full, right? We can be like whole, and then nothing intimidates us. Or rather, it's like we're not closed off to experience. Guys, hope you like the video. Pigeon's not flown yet, but he's getting there. He's gaining confidence. Say goodbye, Woody.
Say bye-bye.
See you in the next video, guys. Bye. Oh yeah, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. There's a whole bunch of you guys watching these videos and not subscribed yet. So please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and hit the like button, guys. It's a big support for me, it really is.